This is for demonstration, but always wear gloves if making capsules for commercial use. To begin using the machine, pour a little over 100 joined capsules into the Manual Orienter and shake it up. Once all of the slots are filled, pour off the excess capsules. Place the Manual Orienter onto the capsule tray in position 1. Push the switch completely away from the capsules to release them into the tray. Repeat this process with position 2, and then again with position 3. Place the capsule tray into the Pro-Op 300. Twist the circular knob clockwise and pull the horizontal lever towards you to lock the capsules in place. While twisting and holding the circular knob counterclockwise, press the vertical lever downward to separate the capsules. Then remove the tray while holding the lever down. Release the lever and ensure all the capsule bodies have fallen downward. Place the powder guard onto the Pro-Op 300. Pour in your powder and use the spreader card to spread the powder into the capsules. Move excess powder into the powder guard tray and pull down the tamper. Then rotate the column to pack down the powder. Counter-rotate the column and then push the tamper back out of the way. Spread more of the powder into the capsules. Repeat this process if necessary. When fully packed, remove the excess powder and powder guard. Place the steel tray with the capsule tops back into the Pro-Op 300. Pull down the capping plate and lock it into place. Ensure the circular knob is rotated clockwise before placing your left hand on the tamper handle and your right hand on the vertical lever. Then press down firmly and completely, ensuring the capsules have snapped together for the final lock. It takes a large amount of pressure to accomplish this. Unlock the capping plate. Rotate the circular knob counterclockwise and press down on the vertical lever to raise the steel tray. Then while holding the lever, remove the tray with the fully filled capsules. Flip over the tray to release.